Tired of waking up early to shovel snow? Imagine sipping your hot coffee while a robot clears your driveway for you. It's not science fiction anymore, it's here. Meet the self-driving robot Snowblower. This little powerhouse uses GPS and advanced sensors to map out your driveway. You just set the boundaries with your smartphone, and it gets to work. It can handle several inches of snow, throwing it up to 30 feet away, so you won't have big piles blocking your path. Plus, it's all electric, so it's much quieter than a traditional snowblower and better for the environment. When the job is done, it automatically returns to its charging station. No more back-breaking work in the freezing cold. This winter, you can finally reclaim your mornings. What do you think? Is a robot snowblower on your wish list? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.